Alright, welcome back. In this assignment we're looking at using good colors, and I've kind of replaced some things myself in here just because I wanted to, but I like some important American documents. Let's see, so what do we got here? We got a table, of course. It's going to have a border of 1, size 1 on that, and of course you can change that if you'd like. You can make it 5 or 3 or 2. What the heck, let's just keep it at 2 right there. And then we also have a table row with 2 table headers right there, right? We got the year the American document was ratified or signed, and then the actual document. And then below that, I like a little space between my rows like this. We have, signed and ratified in 1776. Yep, that's the Declaration of Independence. And then ratified in 1781. We have the Articles of Confederation. And then the next row has the Treaty of Paris, signed in 1783, but ratified in 1784. And then the next document is the actual Constitution, signed in 1787, but ratified in 1788. Then the Bill of Rights, which were ratified in 1791. So that would complete the table, which you can see we have, looks like 4 line breaks in that before we list the sources for this information. And then we have the close of the body of the, well, that should be tabbed, shouldn't it? Yep, should be indented. So this is the close of the body of the web page, and then of course the end of the HTML code. So this is all we have, and let's see if I ran this. Before I ran this, this is what it looked like. This is what it looks like now. Again, the only thing that changed right there was the border of size 2, I guess. I think it's 2 pixels, but I could be wrong. In any case, that's what we have, and let's see, for this assignment, what they want us to do is to take the header row and give it a specific background color. So let's see, this is my header row right here, and in order to do this, of course, we need to give it some style. So that's what we are going to do. Let's see, we got style. Okay, so for my table row right here, I'm going to have some style, style equals, and they want us to have, to make it have a background, background, dash color, dash color, colon, and then we'll put in the color that they are requesting. So £, then I've got 5F9 EA0, I believe. Then we can put the colon, semicolon, and the close of quotations right there. So the semicolon, of course, would be if we wanted to put in more code on that, or more styling into it. So let's see what this looks like when it's updated. So I reload, and we have this specific color. Next up, we're going to go to let's see, we wanted from the table rows, I think I wanted alternating colors for the table rows. Yeah, alternating colors. We have the header row, and then we're going to make alternating colors for the other rows. And let's see, we got, what did we have? We got 1, 2, 3, 4, I got 5 rows. So let's go and put these in. And once again, we're going to come back here to the first table row, and we are going to give it some style. style equals quotations, and again, it's just going to be background, background, dash color, color, colon, and then of course we'll always start these with a £, but it looks like the color they want on this one is, let's see, 9CA814, semicolon, close quotations. Now let's see what this does, so I can save that, come back to my page, and it makes the first row have this, I guess it's kind of a greenish color. Now we're alternating, right? So that means that I can take this code right here from the style, just the style, and then I'm going to copy that. I just push Control-C. I'm going to skip this next row and go to the next one and give myself a space and then paste that in there. Oh no, look what I did right there. I copied the header row color, but no, we want this color right here. So I copied the wrong thing on line 14 for me. I'm going to copy this. Remember, it's a greenish color, so I'm going to push Control-C, And I'm not going to put it on the next row. I'm going to skip that row and then put it on the next one here. Then we're going to skip the next row, which is the Constitution, and put it in the Bill of Rights. So that makes a little bit of the coding easier for me, because I can use Control C, which is copy, and then Control V, which is paste. And lo and behold, it's a nice little shortcut for me to do that without having to do all the typing, which, as you've seen before, I make a lot of errors when I do the typing. But this prepares the next table row for me. So we have the other two rows, right? We have these two rows in white. We need to change their colors. So we are going to give these style, STYLE equals quotations BACKGROUND dash COLOR colon, and then we got the pound sign. Well, what's the color that we're using right here? It appears that it is A8149C. Semicolon, close quotations, and that will change the color of that next row to this, whatever this color. Let's see what it is. Purple? Okay. And again, instead of retyping that in, I'm going to highlight it like this, Control C, then I'm going to skip that next row for the Treaty of Paris and go to the Constitution. Control V is going to make it that purplish color, okay? So I'm going to save that, come back to the page, run it, and you can see now that color is purple. So that's looking pretty good. This is all we needed in this assignment, was to color the header row that specific color. And then we have the three rows, which are, that was that 9C, yeah, this color, 9C A814, and then the other two rows, the A8149C color. And this is what we get. So once you get that done, let's see, here is the code. Let's take a look at more of the code, something like this. Again, the only thing we did is put in the styling into the table rows for each of these. So that shows all of the code that we did, even though it includes the rest of the code for the, look at that right there. That should have been indented. But it shows the rest of the code for this program that we've written. And I'd say, well, that looks pretty good. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching.